The Kayxo Exchange Appliance connector for Google Search Appliance will continuously gather information from the Exchange server. This operation will honor all the mailbox's permissions, and it is available for all the object types managed by Exchange. The entire configuration for the solution is performed through a graphical console. Snippets of all the gathered data will be sent to the GSA for indexing purposes. The green lines show how this information flows continuously without any user intervention. This indexing service of Kayxo Exchange Appliance can be stopped and resumed at any moment, just like an Outlook client is synchronized with the Exchange server. When a user wants to find an item, the blue lines shows the interaction step by step. First, the user opens the web browser, enters the GSA search screen and performs a search. Second, according to the user's permissions, the GSA returns results that may include Exchange information along with other indexed information from intranets, document repositories and other system adapters. Third, when the user clicks on the URL that belongs to an item stored in Microsoft Exchange, the Kayxo Exchange Appliance will retrieve that particular item directly from the Exchange server and present it as a .message file. Fourth, using Microsoft Outlook as the default .message browser, the user will see the item exactly as it is stored in Microsoft Exchange, even containing category colors or the original document attachments. If you want more information, please visit www.kayxo.com.